Hello. Hi.
As an oncology nurse at Sanford Health's Roger Maris Cancer Center in Fargo, North Dakota, Bella Hukriede has cared for more than a few cancer patients.
Couple of times, yeah.
This fall, however, she went beyond her day-to-day duties when she donated her own bone marrow to a matching patient.
We do the drives, so I was aware of it, but I had realized that I never actually did the swab. And so I was with my friend in Minneapolis, and there was a drive happening, so I did the swab and got on the registry.
Just 1 month after signing up for the National Marrow Donor Program, Hukriede learned she was a match. She did a few more tests to make sure her bone marrow was just right for the patient. Then the program flew her to the University of Kansas for her donation procedure, where bone marrow was harvested from her hip bones.
It is an outpatient procedure, so I was discharged the same day. I had surgery at 7 in the morning and was discharged by 11:30. And I'm grateful to even get to do it. It was an awesome experience, and I actually would 100% do it again.
It's recommended that bone marrow transplant donors take a week off from work because the procedure can be painful. That short-term discomfort, though, was never a factor in Hukride's decision.
I work with patients that are feeling at their lowest, and so if I can do something to bring, hope, of course I'm going to do that.
Hukriede was informed that her donation went to a young girl and that the transplant procedure went as planned. Other than that, she doesn't know who the recipient is or where she lives. 1 year after the transplant, the girl and her family have the option of reaching out to Hukriede if they choose. That is a day Hukriede hopes will come.
They have a lot going on, and if they don't want to, I understand that. But I would love to hear from them.
After all, who better than an oncology nurse to give everything she can to a patient in need?
I have been in the room when people get that terrible news, and I've also been in the room when people get hope. So this is always going to have a special meaning in my heart now.
For more information on the National Marrow Donor Program or to sign up to be a donor, visit nmdp.org. In Fargo, Jason Anschutz, Sanford Health News.